So Power BI superheroes, now that you've all downloaded and installed Power BI Desktop, it's time to open the application and see where it takes us. Once we've opened Power BI Desktop, you will note that there's a screen that gives you a couple of options and things to look at. In Power BI, we can actually go and have a look when we click on the link to see what is new, which will take us through to the Power BI blog and the Microsoft Power BI blog, and this gives us fantastic information about the latest features and what's happening in Power BI, and lovely videos and just updates on every bit of functionality in part of Power BI, like reporting, update to error bars, and so forth. Then going back to Power BI again, you'll see there is another link called Forums. If we click through on forums, you'll actually find the Microsoft Power BI Community Forum. This is an absolutely fantastic tool. If you've got any questions or you're struggling with anything, you can really search through on this forum and see other people have asked the same questions and where they've been helped with these questions. So this really is also a very good tool, and you can just see here posted how to sum of a column of a calculated table. There's so many questions on DAX, on how to do averages, just anything that you can think of that you're struggling with on Power BI is on the Microsoft Power BI community. So a really great tool to use. Then this link here again is the Power BI blog, which also takes you back to the Microsoft Power BI blog, which is the same as the first link that we had a look at. So those two are exactly the same links. And then, last but not the least, here is a fantastic link on all the tutorials. Now, I've found personally this to be a really great platform, the Microsoft Learning Platform, and you can do all the Power BI training here for free. So you really can get started on your learning path, and it has a fantastic learning path for you to go through all the Microsoft Power BI modules in the way that Microsoft lays out their content, and the way that you will be able to then take the PL300 exam. So we're going to be talking about that a bit later, but just for you to know that there is also a fantastic learning path for you to be able to take. So yeah, as well, you'll be able to see getting started with Power BI Desktop, and then there are short videos just on so many different little features, and you can have a look and go through all the videos when you click on that, which then takes you through to the Learning Center once again. Right, so if you have opened up Power BI, and it opens up the screen each time and you really don't want to look at the resources, you can just close it here in the corner. Or if you've been working on a certain document, you can either go back to whatever document you were working on and just go and double click on that, and that will open up the document that you worked on last. So this is just the introduction of what Power BI Desktop looks like. I hope that this will just give you a bit of an idea and what to do when you get there. So yeah, we open on Power BI, and here we can start our work. Just as an additional bit of information, I just wanted to give you the link to the PL300 Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst exams. So for those of you just starting off with Power BI, I'm sure this might not be on your list to do right now, but the nice thing about this link is that if you go through it, you get to the two ways to prepare, which is online for free or instructor-led, which is paid. But from this link here, you can actually then start your learning path in the correct order. I found that the Microsoft Learning path can be a bit confusing, so this is actually nice to have this link and then start the learning path for the Power BI exam in this order, which gives you all the different modules about getting started with data analytics, preparing for data analysis, modeling your data in Power BI, visualization, and data analysis. So this is really nice to be able to take from there. I will also put this in the video description below. To make sure you haven't missed anything, we've added additional links in the video description below, so please check them out. If you've enjoyed the content, please like our video below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a lot more powerful BI videos to come. Thanks, superheroes. See you next week.